Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CAD for landing pages. First, navigate to the CAD website and sign up for an account. You can choose a free plan or upgrade for more features. Once logged in, you'll be presented with options to start a new site. Select a template that best fits your project or begin with a blank canvas to design from scratch. Now, let's dive into designing your landing page. CAD offers a user-friendly interface where you can easily add and customize elements. Drag and drop text boxes, images, videos, and forms onto your canvas. Adjust colors, fonts, and sizes to match your brand. Remember to preview your site on different devices to ensure it looks great on mobile phones and tablets. To make your landing page effective, you'll want to add some essential features. Integrate a contact form to collect visitor information or sign-ups. You can also easily link to your social media profiles, driving traffic to your other platforms. CAD allows you to embed various external content, such as YouTube videos or Google Maps, enhancing your page's functionality and engagement. Finally, it's time to publish your landing page and get it live. You can publish your site to a CAD subdomain or connect a custom domain for a more professional look. After publishing, monitor your page's performance using CAD's analytics or by integrating Google Analytics. Regularly review and update your content to keep it fresh and relevant, ensuring optimal results for your landing page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.